Hello everybody, today we are going to discuss soft and hard letters in English language. That is, we are going to talk about C and G letters, that why sometimes C is pronounced as S and why sometimes it is pronounced as K. Similarly, why sometimes G is pronounced as J and sometimes it is pronounced as K. So why this difference in pronunciation? What causes this kind of difference? So we are gonna talk about the basic rules behind these different this kind of different pronunciation. That what are those rules which make some C sometimes as S and sometimes G as J. So these are the things we are going to talk, that why it is sometimes pronounced softly and why it is sometimes pronounced hardly. So there are certain reasons behind this, there are certain rules behind this which causes them to be pronounced sometimes softly and sometimes hardly. Now what are those rules? Let's see. Now if C or G is followed by I, E or Y. If C or G is followed by I, E or Y, they are pronounced softly. But apart from these, any other letter follows C or G, they have hard pronunciation. Now how? For example, see this C-A-T. Now C-A-T is cat. It means C is having a hard pronunciation. We are not pronouncing it as sat, it is cat. Similarly, you can see C-A-U-S-E. We pronounce it as cause, not as sows, right? Similarly, you can see C-U-P. Now here C-U-P is cup, not sup, right? So in most of in all the cases, almost all the cases I should say, when C has any other letter apart from I, E or Y, C will have a hard pronunciation. There are more examples. For example, if it is cycle. Now in the same word we have both S and K. It is Cy. C is being followed by Y, so soft, and then C is being followed by L, so hard. Cycle. Similarly, you can see success. Now this first C is hard and second C is soft, because second C is being followed by E. So in the same word we have both soft and hard sounds of C. So it means in all such words where C has I, E or Y, it will be soft. Okay. You can take any example. For example, see E and T, scent. C is being followed by E, so it is pronounced as scent. So you take any such example and you will find that C, when followed by I, E or Y, it is pronounced softly, and apart from this, if any other letter is there, C is pronounced hardly or it has hard pronunciation. But there are some exceptions to this rule as well. I'll give you some more examples. I didn't give you any word with C-O, so let's see that as well. C-O-L-T, colt. So you can see C is being followed by O and it is co, not salt, it is colt. Now the exception to this rule is C-E-L-T. Now C-E-L-T, you can see C is being followed by E here. Still it is pronounced as kelt, not selt. And what is this word? What's the meaning of this word? the people of Indo-European origin or that community, a member of that community is called Celt, or one who speaks a language, Celt language or Celtic language is called Celt. So here CELT is Celt and not Celt. So this is an exception to this rule that though C is being followed by E, still it is K and not S. It is hard, not soft. Similarly, with G, we have certain examples to prove this rule that yes, G sometimes is J and sometimes it is G, Y. So let's see some examples of G as well. There are some exceptions as well. Now, see this. Gentle, gentle. G is being followed by E, so it is gentle, not gentle. Now GATHER. This is gather, not jether, right? And GESTURE. Gesture, not gesture. Similarly, apology, GY, not apology, right? You can see strategy, not strategy, right? Similarly, gigantic. So one is J and the other is G, gigantic. Why? Because G is being followed by I and here G is being followed by A. So that's why first one is soft and the later one is hard. So the rule is quite proper here. You can see all these examples are following this rule, except there are certain exceptions here to this rule as well. I must give you the exceptions. See this, GIVE. This is give and not jive. So of course an exception to this rule. Similarly, this GIRL is girl and not girl. Same way, see this, tiger but not tiger, right? And gynecology, so gynecology here I should say GY, but it is not jai, it is guy. So these are some of the exceptions to this rule, but otherwise you can take several examples. Gyroscope, GY, but it is J, apology, strategy, or you take any such word, you will find if G is being followed by I, E or Y, it is pronounced softly, and if it is being followed by any other letter, then it is pronounced hard. Now GOAT, goat, not jot. So I have given you such examples, and these examples are enough to prove this rule. So now I hope now you are left with no such misconceptions or confusions about the soft and hard letters. Now it must be very much clear to you that why C is sometimes pronounced as S and sometimes as K. So it's not without any base or without any rationality. There are certain rules, and that is the reason that we have soft and hard letters in English language. So I hope it helps, and to have more such things related to English literature, poetry, grammar, communication. Stay tuned, keep watching. If you haven't subscribed so far, subscribe to my channel. So you will be having all the updates about the videos that I upload on my channel. So till then, Bye bye. Thank you very much.